Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SmartVault to store tax data for audits, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect SmartVault to store tax data for audits, start by logging into your SmartVault account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your main workspace. Locate and click on the Settings tab located in the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, find the Integrations section. Click on Integrations to view available options. Select Connect to Tax Software if this option appears. Choose your specific tax software from the list provided. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between SmartVault and your tax software. Enter your login credentials for the selected tax software as required. Confirm the connection to establish a link between SmartVault and your tax data. Once connected, navigate back to the dashboard. Go to the Documents section to create a folder for tax data storage. Select Add Folder and name it appropriately for easy identification. Open the newly created folder to start uploading your tax documents. Click on the Upload Files button to initiate the upload process. Choose the tax documents you want to upload from your computer. After selecting the files, click Open to begin the upload. Ensure all uploaded documents are organized correctly within the folder. Use tags or labels to categorize documents if needed. Regularly update this folder with any new tax data or audit materials. Monitor the folder to keep track of any changes or additions. Utilize the SmartVault search function to locate specific documents easily. Review the sharing settings to control access to sensitive tax information. Set permissions based on who needs to view or edit the documents. Regularly back up your data to avoid any loss during audits. Finally, familiarize yourself with SmartVault's compliance features for added security during audits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.